Good morning mga vlogs. Sunday, January 7. Ayan, may dumating na what is this? Ew. What is this? Do right. Manufacture LED lights. Oh, okay. LED lights. Yeah, ito para sa sa me or ang tawag doon? Chandelier. Ayan mga ka-vlogs, mag-ihaw tayo ng bangus. I-ano na natin, rekta na natin. Hindi ko na muna nilagyan ng ano kasi masusulo lang. Sausaw na lang natin sa patis tsaka sa soup, patis para sa sausawan ba o kaya sa toyo. Yan, sarap yan mga ka-vlogs. Ay, so yan, bumalik ng winter dito sa Canada, no? Nandiyan na snow, tsaka sa east may snow na rin. In December ang pinaka driest on record sa buong Canada. Ayan mga vlogs, malamig na ngayong Sunday night. Pasok na naman tayo bukas. So at naubos na yung isang propane eh. So lagay na lang natin ulit ng bago. Ayan mga vlogs, i-discuss ko lang yung sa union job steward. So nakatanggap ako ng email since tatlo lang kami dito sa North BC sa trabaho. May email na since ako ang pinaka-senior na ngayon. Nung unang nag-umpisa ako is pang-5 ako sa seniority. So since then, 10 years from now or 11 years ago, ako na ang pinaka-senior. Either umalis na yung iba or long-term disability. Tapos yung iba umalis or nag-move on for other jobs. So I'm just putting it the speaker here. Tinatry ko kung it's working very well sa audio ba. So ang job steward, sinend nila ako ng email. Tapos sabi nila it's a move up. May training and support. At saka it's your voice between me and the employer plus my coworkers beside me. So what does a job steward do? So it sits on disciplinary meetings to make sure coworkers are treated fairly, distribute important information, maintain our union bulletin boards, file grievances when the collective agreement isn't being followed. So yun ang ating hopefully mag-reply sila na sige, ikaw ang senior. So yung isa medyo vocal siya more than me kasi he's puti siya. Tapos he's got company seniority pero iba yung union seniority. So from down south siya, lower mainland. Tapos nag-move up siya dito. Pero lumaki siya dito sa when he was growing up, he said around Mackenzie area. And so so member guide, isa dito sa north at isa sa lower mainland. So meron ng sa lower mainland dito yung isa kasi nag long term disability na COVID long term effect. So kailangan nila ng job steward. So I'll apply for that since ako naman most senior pala. So it works closely with union staff and elected representatives who are there to offer you all the support and guidance you need. So ayan, ito yung kanilang brochure. It's Move Up, Movement of United Professional. Yun yung meaning ng Move Up, UP. Yan. So yung concerns ng workplace na pwede i-brought up sa union is workplace health and safety concerns, management favoritism, unfairness or abuses, and unmanageable workloads. That way, they can be addressed through grievances or collective bargaining. Yan. Yun yung pinaka-main uh, na pwedeng i-grievance against hindi naman against the management. So, because it's like, because you're working together with them. You want it to be a smooth and very not stressful relationship with the management and your employer, right? So, yeah.
Ayan mga vlog, so every January makakatanggap kayo ng property assessment ninyo dito sa BC. Tawag BC assessment. Yun yung parang binibase nila yung property tax ninyo doon sa BC assessment, not necessarily na value or price ng ano nyo yun, ng property nyo, but assessment para sa property tax. Ayan mga ka-vlogs, mabagal lang araw natin ngayong January 8, Monday, kasi first day back at I guess yung iba is getting ready for the big snow. May snow warning ngayong gabi, so umaga bukas, up to 10 centimeters. So, ayan. Echo, what's 10 centimeters in inches?
10 centimeters is about 3.9 inches.
So, mga...
By the way, you have a new notification. Do you want to hear it?
No. Ayan, yung Amazon dumating. So, yan, 4 inches. Kapal-kapal din. So, overnight. Ayan. So, hanggang dito na lang muna ang vlog natin for today, and hopefully hit yung notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga videos. Salamat.